Hello guys, hi, this is Syed Mukram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel Data Science for Everyone. As we're covering the Excel series, and today I will be showing you how to open an existing file. This is a new file and you have already worked on some other file and you want to open that existing file. So let's go how we can do that. Click on file and they have a number of options over here and you can go to open over here. And you could see over here in the workbook itself, the recent over here at the tab, we could have the recently, as we ensured previously, the important data file as regarding how to save it, and we have saved as important data file. And over here we could see, yeah, we can retrieve this file or else n number of file which I have recently worked on. So I just want to double click on open and type a file which you want, and you could see we got it like important data file which we have seen earlier in this video. So this is how simple you can go, and you can go and click and you can open and you can go to the recent files. We have right side, I can show you like a data science sheet which I have like stored. See, this is how things goes on, like this is all about the topics of what I'm doing and so on, the data about data science. So this is how simple you can go to the home screen. You can go to like open option and you can just click on the sheet which you want, and that's it. You will be getting the sheet which you worked on. And hope you got the things how you can open the file, the existing file, and work on it, and you can start working on it. Like this is the existing file, and then again you've saved some data, and then you just need to do control S for saving the existing file, and that's it. It will get stored on the same place where you have stored with the file as important data. Hope you got it guys, and for further, and I will be covering the next session and on that regarding how we can cover different things. And that's it. Hope you like the video, and comment to me in the comment section regarding if you have any doubt on the Excel part. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.